Welcome back. It's Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. And today we are making a very easy, very simplistic dinner, taco mac. What you're gonna need 1 can of salsa. I am using the Pace restaurant style salsa original recipe. You're gonna need some sour cream. You're gonna need some cheese. I got sharp cheddar, and I also got pepper jack. You're gonna need some cream cheese. You're gonna need some noodles. So over on the other camera, bloop, we got our water boiling, and in this one we got it heating up to put our hamburger in. The perfect thing to go with this dish, we're just gonna use something simple. We're gonna use some Doritos. And it's gymnastics night, y'all, so you know who my special helper is. Aspen. Okay, so we're gonna take our hamburger. Got a pound of hamburger, and we're just gonna dump it in here. You gonna do it? Good job. All we're gonna do is get that to brown a little bit. We of course do need some seasoning, of course. So we got, that's good. So we're gonna use some asada grillers. We're gonna add a little bit of salt in our water. And then a little salt over here. And then we're gonna add in our pepper.
I want pepper.
Add in the pepper. That's good. So we took the kids to the aquarium, to the beach, to play putt-putt. Yeah. And they had a fantastic time. And then we came back and it got hot. Like, it got real hot. So, I just wanted to make, this is actually something we make. Like, this isn't just one of those I found on Pinterest, I want to try it out, show you the recipe and stuff like that. This is actually something I've made for like the last 2 years for my family on occasion. And it's something I wanted to share with y'all. It's something simple and fast and easy. We are going to be using, don't touch. We're going to be using the small shells. Oh, I used elbow noodles. This is one of those things we don't care what noodles we're using. About 1.5 boxes, roughly. I mean, you can use 1 box, that's fine. It just depends on you. I am making a little bit extra because I want to take some of this to work with me tomorrow. Because I always enjoy this. So y'all, this is a big secret. And I'm trusting y'all to keep it that way. Trusting you to keep this secret. We're going to put some taco mix in this, okay? Right there. Good job. And then we're going to add a little bit of ranch. I know you want ranch. You love ranch. All right, and we're just going to incorporate that. Lower the temperature on that. And we're going to drain our meat. Now, you want to drain your meat because I don't like having all the grease and everything in there with my meat. Put the noodles right back on in there. And then we're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese. Cheese? Cream cheese? You like cheese?
Yeah.
Me too.
Me too. I want to put in there. I'm gonna put in there.
You said you wanted to put it in there. Drain your noodles and get the noodles off the bottom. But bring that pot back because we're going to use it. Put the noodles right back on in there. And we're going to add in 2 cups of milk. Go ahead. That's enough. And then we're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Cream cheese?
Yeah.
You like cheese?
Yeah.
All right, so then we're just going to push that cream cheese down. We're going to apply a little bit more heat, about medium to low heat, and it should melt relatively fast. Next, we have Aspen's favorite, our cheddar,
Yeah.
because cheddar makes it better, huh? Now, I preheated my oven to 350. As we start mixing it, I like to add in my pepper jack. Now, we're going to take our hamburger, and we're just going to incorporate that in now. Just like that. And now we're going to mix that hamburger in. Get that ooey gooey goodness going. Now, we're going to take our salsa. Pour in our salsa. We got some sour cream. Just a little bit. And then we're just going to mix that into it. And then into your baking dish. Alright, so like I said, our oven's been preheated at 350. We're going to splash a little cheese right on top. It might look a little runny, but I'm telling y'all, put it in the oven, it's going to get there just right. Into your oven for about 15-20 minutes until that cheese gets nice and golden brown and everything's looking like it's holding nicely. Here is the taco mac. Whew. Looking good. Like I was saying earlier, how it's not going to be so runny no more. See? It's not so much runny no more. It's looking good and thick. That's what we want. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I could eat this. I could eat this. I could eat this. I could eat this, y'all. All right, y'all. With that, thank y'all for watching my videos. If this looks good, you gotta hit that thumbs up. Come on. It's simple. It's easy. About 30-40 minutes, and we're done. Love y'all. Thank y'all for your comments. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all the love. She's telling me to come on. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. I'll catch you later.